Welcome to the MHP Medical Center topping off ceremony. The topping off ceremony, when they lift the symbolic last beam of the structure, it symbolizes that we're halfway through construction, more or less, and it's a time to look at how far we've come and celebrate what we've done so far. A lot of people would have been involved, and I'm really happy that we chose Messer Construction as our general contractor. They're here with us today. They've been very, when somebody has that much responsibility and they're as nice to someone as me who has such a little teeny tiny role in the project as they are, it's really been nice. I burst into the trailer usually unannounced, with I'm sure a very uninformed or very naive question, and they've really been great. So I want to introduce Kurt Brewer and Bruce Tumlin from Messer Construction.
Thank you, Angela. As Angela had mentioned, it was just late last year that we broke ground on the hospital. And to date, we celebrated with the craft, who's been putting in place over 75,000 man-hours to get to where we are today. We have a bit to go to get to completion, but so far we've had a little over 300 people working on the project from beginning. Today we probably have about 100 or so people working today, and it's going to increase. I would also like to thank a lot of the local businesses who partnered with us on this project. Runabomb Concrete and CGS is providing services to us, which is making our lives a whole lot better and easier to make a great hospital for you. So we would like to thank a lot of the community members. A lot of the craft force has been here from Shelby County as well. So you got a great thing going here in your local area. So we're proud to be a part of it. So in appreciation for the warm welcome you've provided Messer into your community, we wanted to take this opportunity to help support the Major Hospital Foundation by providing a $10,000 donation on behalf of the employee owners of Messer Construction. Hopefully this will be able to help you support the good things that you do in your community.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Very kind. Boy, that was unexpected. Thank you very much. We appreciate that. Thank you, Angela, and thank everybody for coming out today. Oh, glad that we have such nice weather on things. Boy, we got lucky. It's been a while. I wasn't sure if we were building a pool or a medical center there for a while as everything came out. As Angela stated, our topping off ceremony, signing of the beam, provides us an opportunity really to thank everyone for their involvement that we've had. Thank Messer, Bruce, Kurt, Steve, Ryan, for the work you've done, the craftsmanship, the quality, and the safety that we've seen so far as they've led the construction project along with our local community workers, Mike, Runabomb, Nick, Chris, for all you've done, and the other subcontractors that we work on this project. As stated, 100 up to 300 people a day working out here. Once again, a round of applause for them for what they've done and that safety. And for that contribution, we thank you very much for all you've done in helping to lead us in BSA architectural design and what they've done in putting this plan together. We come together at this signing of the beam, the topping off ceremony. It's actually an old tradition from long ago, many centuries ago. You may notice a tree on the beam, on the side. This is a Scandinavian tradition that came where the owner was to put beer in a tree and in a tree house that the workers had put together. And if the owner didn't fill it up quick enough or waited too long and the owner was cheap and greedy, well, I'm sorry, I can't put beer in your tree house. I don't think that's an OSHA proper policy on that. But we hold this to thank those who making this possible at this halfway point, an important point, as we raise this beam that we brought forth. People tend to support what they've helped to create. I've noticed that all through my life. People are involved in something, they tend to support it. And what we've created, what you've helped to create, is a vision for the future, a vision for the future of improved quality of health care, of an improved quality of life for Shelbyville and Shelby County. The vision that will bring us this success for the future is extremely important. Because the future, it's not an inheritance. It's not an inheritance. Future's an obligation for us here. We all stand on the shoulders of those who've come before us. But not is the future, not just an obligation, it's an opportunity. An opportunity for us to put that vision in place. That vision of raising the healthcare standards and the healthcare quality that we provide to our citizens. So for helping to create that vision, for helping to have the courage to support that vision, I thank all of you who have been involved in this. The MHP board, the Major Foundation board, Gene Jones, president of the MHP board, Carrie Pumphrey, Dr. Pumphrey, president of the foundation members, our physicians, multiple generations of our physicians that I see here. Hitch Learned, who I've seen here. Some of the shoulders we've talked about standing on. Nick, as the construction moves on, and the philanthropic contributions to the too many people to mention. But I thank those on our board, on our foundation board, our physicians, our staff, our employees, our public officials who are here from the city, ranging from the mayor and the city council and the county commissioners. This would not have been possible without individuals putting forth and helping to create that vision that we all share of improving that quality. So I thank you all for your participation, your financial, but your personal support. And much as we're here to raise those expectations of the quality, now let's raise that beam. As we raise those expectations, again, I thank you. Let's raise the beam. Thank you for coming. Appreciate your support. Appreciate all you've done as we move forward, and we're halfway completed now with the MHP Medical Center.
If you would like to be a financial partner with us in this worthwhile project, call me at the Major Hospital Foundation, 317-421-0361. Thanks, and until next time, take comfort in knowing that the promise for your healthy future is being built today with the new Major Healthcare Center.